Folks, Nala Mari from Best RV in Torla, California. What is behind me is a brand new 2026 Winnebago Thrive 25 RL. From the name of it, 25 feet, rear living, and a full king-size bed in the front. Now, Thrive is a brand new product for Winnebago. Winnebago has been around, but this is a brand new product, and what I like about it is the slick of the look of the slick, the finishing, the amenities, and the options. Number one, they give you this very nice high-end frameless big window in the front, and then you have the nice diamond plate or the middle. You have LED light on the front, and it's very hard to see, but at night it will be really super bright. Now look how finishing this and the look of it, very slick, clean, white. The finishing on the basements is a full aluminum frame with a light inside. This is 30 amp solar controller. It has a 200 watt solar panel on the roof. Enclosed heated underbelly. That's a big features you need to know about this unit. So whatever you put here is not gonna freeze up on you, and it's finished from both sides, in the front and the back, as well, true aluminum frame. Now the skirt, look at it, it's completely finished all the way down, not just to this edge. That's how you could tell high end. Look over here, it's finished. And the extra things the Winnebago they do, it has a power jack on front. It's electric stabilizer jack, 2 independent switch, one for the right, one for the left, so I could control what size I want to bring down, or this the one down more. Whereas the other brand, they give you 1 switch for both sides. Winnebago, they do the extra step. They give you 2 independent switch for each side, so you have full control on that. Now, you could see here is a huge power awning, big with the LED light underneath, endless hot water heater, and then the word Thrive. But me personally, I like this nice wheel fender with the black rims. Some of my kids, they say it's like a murder. I love this look. And then they have the 2 GPL speakers, one here, one there. TV outside hookup. And again, it has a place you could put TV right here. And then there's 110 and the coax right there. Endless hot water heater. Nice suburban step, which is they're wider. That's a big deal. And again, both they will fold inside. And this is the model 25 RLS, 25 rear living with a king-size bedroom in the front. They give you the ladders, not like the other brands. They give you ladder prep. It comes with a ladder, backup camera prep, and then you have a receivers in the back, or you could put bike rack, all of that stuff here. This is the power cord, as you see, and it's ready to go. It's very slick, clean. That's what I like about the Thrive. It's very clean travel trailers. And then over here, you have the city water connection, black tank flush, outside shower, and hot and cold. So if you make a mess here, you could clean up and wash your hands. This is the other side of the pass-through storage. Amazing. Love the look. Look the look and the finishing on this one. Now let's go inside, talk about the new features of the Thrive 25 RLS. 2 entry door, one through the kitchen and one through the rear living and one through the bedroom. One thing I want to emphasize, nobody noticing, but I notice because I deal with this every day, is the light. Everybody give you white, too bright. It's like, oh my God. But look, they give you the soft white. It has a little bit yellowish color in it. And there's a reason for that. That's what you find in the high end. Also, look at the finishing, slick, no piece of molding and fuzzy balances. It's clean, everything's clean, neat. And they utilize all these cabinets with European hinges. So you get all this in the top. So this is upper storage, self-closing. Look, it's not gonna bang like some other brands. And then you have the nice shelving here. Show them, please. And the nice wood. This is solid wood. And then they have, look how fancy this leg. So you don't have that stupid legs going left and right, and I don't have to carry it on my back. And then you have a switch here, yes, and then you could play with this, slide it in, get it closer, get it like if somebody with a big tummy like me, you push on it and you pull it outside. And again, this drop down and become one bed. And then you have a storage here and a storage there and a storage underneath the dinette with the doors unlock, not just a door. Please look at this. Look at the finishing of the wood. Nice, clean, smooth opening. That's one thing you need to look at Winnebago. Winnebago, again, if you look in their motorhome, they're always higher cost because the finishing, but at Best RV, we're making it more affordable for you. Hold on, sorry. Now it's work. You see, everything have to be on spot. 110 plug and USB plug. Now, going to the theater, they give you residence. Oh, nice. Full recliners. Man, I'm not a big guy. I need to push myself. Hold on. This is a house recliners, not an RV recliners. They're so comfy, and you have this nice smart TV in front of you, 40-inch. And everybody could see this from recliners or the U-shaped dinette. Come with a place for table here, you know, dinner table or place to put your drink. So this is Winnebago. I love the middle console, the City Residence Collection by Apex. And then you have soft closing doors. Oh, and by the way, this is the table. So you could put your cups, your plate, if you want to sit and eat while you're watching the game. Come with it. Nice 11 cubic foot refrigerator. And by the way, there's 200-watt solar panel on the roof. No issue, no problem. Kitchen, look how slick it is. Cameraman, show them how this is smooth fiberglass countertop with molding sink. So you don't have no seams to worry about. Like some other brands, you have a seam, you have to caulk it. You don't. One piece, clean. All these cabinets open. And then they give you a microwave, nice 3-burner range, oven. Look, show them the finishing, tinsels. And you could slide it this way or slide it that way so you could get another layer underneath it. 2 trash can. So when you wash dishes, click, you recycle or disposable. Everything, I don't know what you need. Well, the new houses, they don't come like that. All these doors, more cabinets. So you have plenty for tinsels, plenty for silverwares and cooking pans. In beyond, beautiful fireplace with smart TV. And by the way, this is on a swing arm. So if you want to see it more, they give you shade for the entry door, which is a lot of them, they don't notice. This one comes, other manufacturers, they do not. They have the Bluetooth GPL speakers inside and outside. All the controller right here. And ladies, if you complain, say I need pantry. Pantry with motion light. Brand new. Self-closing. So you have this pantry. You have these doors for storage. You have all the up for storage. You have all above the recliner over the storage. You have everything over the kitchen storage. Underneath the kitchen storage. What else you need? Plenty of storage. Now, why this floor plan? I really like it because it has a solid door to the bathroom and the bedroom. 25 or less come with 2 ACs, not on 1 AC. That's one, I want to emphasize that. So now you open the door. Look how beautiful this bathroom. King size bed and a 25 feet travel trailers. Place for second TV in the bedroom. A door to the bedroom. Second AC. Closets with both sides. 60 by 80 Olympic queen bed. That's the reason why I look like it's a big bed. It's a true 60 by 80 queen bed. I apologize. It's a queen bed. Big storage underneath with 50 amp cord. Plugs for a CPAP machine, USB, laptop, iPad. Place for a cup of glass of water. Big window in the front. Reading lights. And then you come over here if you don't want nobody to see your bed. Give me a second. Beautiful pocket door. That is quality. This is quality of Winnebago. And you have it here at Best RV, and as usual, Best RV, we sell them thousands of dollars less than the dealers down south, north, mid. No one come close to us. Look, this bathroom. Big medicine cabinet. Big pantry. Bigger sink, molded fiberglass. I'm feeling like I'm in a 5-star hotel, guys. It's not a trailer. Linen closets. Big toilet. Shower surround. Look my elbow, look my height, please. No water will come out. Nicer shower fixtures, very modern, like it's a new house. And plus, you close this door, nobody see you. Nobody see you. So I could come up from shower naked, come over here, grab my clothes, dress up, use it as a change room, shaving, cleaning, get ready, and nobody in the living area could see me. So that's the beauty about the privacy of this unit. Now when I'm dressed up and look nice, I open the door and I enjoy the living area with my friends and family members. That is the 25 RLS Drive. Come to Best RV and grab it because it is beautiful.